Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change bar chart colors with the color shelf in Tableau. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Tableau, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing the bar chart colors in Tableau using the color shelf can have a significant impact on data visualization, communication, and user experience because different colors can be used to emphasize specific trends or patterns in the data, making it easier for users to identify key insights. Now, I'm switching over to a specific sheet that I'm currently working on, and that's going to be on this. You see, the bar chart is right in blue color. Now, to be able to change the bar chart color, now it's a straightforward process because all I'm gonna do is go to the color section. You have multiple options for you to choose from orange, it's real time, right? Choose this color, choose the green, the blue ones, and the gray, the pink, the yellow. So there's a lot that you can choose. You can also hover to the more colors, where if you wanted to have more options here, it's all up to you. For example, you have a specific hex code that you can put in here. So there's a lot. The idea is applying colors that align with your organization's branding guidelines to maintain a consistent identity across reports and dashboards. Of course, you can use colors to segment data into meaningful groups, which helps in performing comparative analysis and understanding the distribution of data. And of course, it can highlight critical metrics or data points by assigning them distinct colors, drawing attention to important information. Because over time, you can use colors to provide visual cues or alerts such as red for negative values like this one, or underperforming target, and green obviously for positive values or achievements. And of course, colors can be used to build a narrative in your data visualization, guiding users through different sections or phases for a data story. Now, when visualizing data across different time periods, you can use colors to show changes or trends over time, helping to illustrate the progression of data. And not only it's applicable to bar, you can also go to the line. You can choose the different colors as well. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.